Menteri Katarat Boarding Badairu UMLA jongka Dadengre James K Sangma hakasngini kong jongka khat khandai terek unaitung matausnem ulayalam yakinong elam jongka NPP na Dadengre Civil Subdivision banyak kendo Menteri rangba kejela ukonat ke Sangma habakran baglap sai kubor James Sulong bagi nong shnong jongka Dadengre ke yateli hakajing dawa badai ban kentiu kadan district no ya ka Civil Division ke jongki.
We just had a meeting with Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Conrad K. Sangma along with a delegation of the leaders of the National People's Party from Dadengri Civil Subdivision, and we collectively have placed a memorandum for his consideration for the creation and upgradation of the Dadengri Civil Subdivision to a district. This demand, as we all know, is a demand that's very long due and long pending, and we have informed the Honorable Chief Minister that the people falling under Dadengri Civil Subdivision are all very united in our demand for the creation for the upgradation of Dadengri as a full-fledged district. The Honorable Chief Minister has been very positive in his response, and we look forward to a positive outcome of our meeting very soon.